Have you ever felt like your emotions are more in control of you than you are of them? Today, we're diving into the 7 secrets to mastering your emotions, a vital skill set that might just change your life. But before we unravel these secrets, remember to hit subscribe to receive enlightening content like this every day. Secret number 1, recognize your emotional triggers. Start by identifying what sparks your emotions. Is it a situation, a person, or perhaps a specific time of day? Recognizing these triggers is the first step towards gaining control. Secret number 2, practice mindful awareness. Ever caught yourself spiraling into emotions before you even realize it? Mindful awareness involves paying close attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Observe them as they are, and you'll soon realize you're not your emotions. Secret number 3, label your emotions. Guess what? Simply naming your emotions can reduce their intensity. Are you feeling anxious, or is it just concern? Reframe and rename and watch the magic happen. Isn't it fascinating how a simple word swap can shift your emotional landscape? Secret number 4, apply rational thinking. Here's where your logic plays superhero. Ask yourself, are my emotions based on facts or assumptions? This step isn't about dismissing your feelings, but understanding them from a logical perspective. Time to put on your detective cap. Secret number 5, strategic response development. Once you know what you're feeling and why, suppose you choose how to respond rather than react blindly. This is your emotional chess game. And guess who's winning? You are, with strategic moves. Secret number 6, create an emotional emergency kit. Include things that cheer you up or calm you down. It could be a playlist, a comforting scent, or photos of happy memories. Ready to see how this toolkit can turn your worst day around? Secret number 7, regular emotional health check-ins. Just like you might for your physical health, regularly assess your emotional well-being. Set a dedicated time to reflect on your emotional state and improvements. Monitoring progress is key to mastery. Each of these steps builds on the last, creating a solid foundation for emotional strength and resilience. And once you've got a handle on your emotions, why not take it a step further? Jump straight into our next video on the 8 secrets to mastering your mindset for success. Don't forget to click through on the end screen. If this video sparked a change in how you see or handle your emotions, subscribe and join our community for daily nuisances. Share your thoughts or progress in the comments. We'd love to hear which secret was an aha moment for you.